Okay, welcome to another video of Physics Polizia. We're gonna see today parabolic shot on tracker. Okay, so we're gonna make the same is the steps that we did before in our previous video. We're gonna put a video. We're gonna choose this one. So we have this video of someone shooting the basketball. It's a perfect shot. So first of all, like in the previous video, we're gonna cut the video just before the shot, and just in the end of the here it finishes. Okay, and uh, and that's it for this. And now, what was the first thing that we needed to do? We needed to put the um, Cartesian plane. So we're gonna return all the video and see where does the player is standing. Okay, so right here, just in the feet of the guy, and just in the middle of the ball. So now the next thing that we have to do is add the vara de calibración, and we click shift. It's gonna appear like this, and we click just in there. We release the shift and we shift again just in the bottom of the basket. It's right here, I think so. We adjust it, and now we have to know the distance between these 2 points. Let's see. So with this measure, we know that is 465. So we put 4.65 meters, like this, 465 meters. And now what we are going to do is add the masa puntual. Again, it's going to appear in the table and this small square window. And now we click shift and it's going to appear like this again, and we start shift, shift, shift until the very end. So let's skip it. So we're about to finish following the ball. What we're doing here is like we're following the trajectory that our object is doing until the very end of our diagram, our video. So that's it. Okay, that's it for the masa puntual. Now we can see that we have a little graph right here, and now we can analyze that. We add some variables that are going to appear in the table. Now we do need the x and the y components in the position, and we are going to use also the velocity. We use the y because now in this parabolic shoot, the ball is also moving in a movement in the y, in the y, in the y, in the y line, and in the x. So this is all that we need. Perfect. Cerrar. And we can analyze that what we have. Let's see. We have a shoot here. It's more or less the height of the person that of the player that is shooting, And we have like the movements of the velocity, the changes in the velocity, and the time. Okay, what else? We can see analyze the statistics. You can see like the maximum, the minimum, the media of the any of these um, information. So yes. And now, what else we need from the parabolic shoot? We also need the angle. So we're gonna find out how to put an angle. So for finding the angle, we have to click in Crear again, Herramientas de medida, and Transportador. We're gonna, they're gonna give us like something like this, and we return, and here it's like our movement. So we put it just in the number one dot like this, and we move the thing from up here. Oh, like this one, this ball. We're gonna move it in the angle of the shoot in the number 2. So here it says that it's like 72 degrees at the angle of the shooting. Okay, so now we're return to the massa. Here we return to massa, and here we return to massa, so we can see the movements. So now we're gonna analyze this one, and we can click. We can see all the movements of the velocity and time, and the movement in the y-axis and in the x-axis. So yes, I think that's it. We can see here. We can see here like the higher place that our movement is doing. I think it's, oh my god. So we can find like the highest point in the table. I think it's 30, 37. I think it's right here. So we can find it in our table and in our diagram, and we can see that it's with a velocity of 4.47, and in the 2.8 meters, and in the 6 second at 0.6 seconds in our video. So that's it for today. I think we learned a lot, and now it's your turn to analyze in Tracker the parabolic shoot. Thank you.